When your support queue looks like an unsorted inbox with no priority, no structure, and no way to find what matters most, your team is flying blind. Zendesk messaging conversation list filters exist to fix exactly this. Here's how to build ones that actually work. Zendesk conversation filters live in 2 different contexts, and mixing them up creates views that don't match your workflow. Live messaging filters handle real-time conversations by status and channel. QA filters work on historical reviews using sentiment, auto QA scores, and spotlight insights. Every useful filter draws from 3 categories: date-based conditions like creation date and last activity, status and assignment filters for open and pending conversations, and channel plus metadata filters for tags, custom fields, and specific messaging channels. In the Zendesk QA module, the Conversations view organizes your filters into public and private sections in the left sidebar. Public filters are shared across all reviewers. Private filters are yours alone. Navigate to Quality Assurance in the admin sidebar, then click Conversations. The left sidebar shows your existing filters, already divided into public and private sections ready to customize. Click Add Filter and choose public or private. Public filters keep review processes consistent across the whole team. Private filters let each reviewer build personal shortcuts without cluttering the shared sidebar. Add your conditions one at a time. Each one narrows results with AND logic. A filter like last 7 days plus premium support group plus status solved plus tag refund dict request gives you a laser-focused list that's instantly actionable. Name your filter for what it shows, not how it works. Premium refunds. Last 7 days beats a list of raw conditions every time. Drag to reorder your most used filters to the top and use duplicate when you need a variation of an existing filter. Start with these 5. Escalation monitoring for urgent open cases sorted by wait time. Workload balancing to spot overloaded agents. SLA prevention to catch conversations before breach. Channel triage to separate messaging from email. And a follow-up queue for customers who've gone quiet. On higher tier plans, you unlock AI-powered filters that basic metadata can't match. Filter by sentiment to find frustrated customers. Use auto QA scores to flag agents who need coaching, and use spotlight insights to surface churn risk, escalation flags, and exceptional service examples. Native filters have real gaps. You can't filter by entire agent groups, only individuals. Some fields like chat completion status require API workarounds, and complex stacked conditions can slow the interface significantly at high conversation volumes. Filters organize what's already in your system, but eesel AI acts on conversations as they arrive. It trains on your past tickets, routes, and tags automatically, and starts at $239 per month. You don't switch help desks, you add an intelligent layer directly inside Zendesk. Eesel AI learns your patterns and handles conversation triage automatically inside Zendesk. Stop building filters manually. Try Eesel AI free for 7 days at www.eesel.ai.